Hi guys, this is your girl Justena, and today we are going to do a product review on two new products, both from the Mielle Organics Hawaiian Ginger line. If you're interested, just keep on watching. So the first product I have is the Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. It adds moisture while removing impurities with our new super hydrating Hawaiian Ginger leave-in. This product delivers moisture like you won't believe. Keep thirsty hair hydrated by locking in moisture from roots to tips. Not only does it restore shine, but it eliminates frizz and delivers long-lasting curl definition. Apply a gentle amount to section hair. Work product through with your favorite detangling tool. Do not rinse it. So the next product I got was the styling gel. It has no alcohol, no carvings, no crunch, no flakes. It's a holding gel designed for those seeking both moisture and hold. This gel is perfect styling solution for twist outs, braid outs, curl, definition, and even the perfect ponytail. This moisturizing formula will make you love gel because it not only moisturizes but hydrates, giving you a great hold. It says apply for wet or dry hair and style as desired. Optional. For best results, apply Mielle Mint Almond Oil while hair is still wet for added conditioning and to reduce potential flaking, which is weird because on the other side it says that it doesn't flake, but we gonna see Mielle. So my hair is freshly washed, lightly finger detangled, so it's not completely detangled. So we're gonna see if this leave-in helps with detangling, because it does say I can use a detangling tool. So I am gonna go get my dimming brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get an oil just to be safe, to pair with my gel. Well, I got my detangling brush. I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair. And today I'm gonna do a twist out, guys. I'm gonna do a twist out today. I haven't did a twist out in a while. My last two styles, one was a wash and go, and the other one was a braid out. I think my last three styles it wasn't a twist out, actually, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna do a twist out today. So we gonna see how this comes out. Comes out, it's pretty creamy. As y'all know, I do like the Mielle Organic pomegranate leave-in. I tried that and I love that leave-in. So we gonna see how this compares. Let's see how it compares. Does it help with detangling? Does it not help with detangling? Does it hydrate? Does it moisturize my hair? You know? So we done added maybe total about 3 or 4 pumps to this little section. And it's slightly helping me to finger detangle. So it has a gingery smell to it for sure. We're gonna go ahead and try to detangle this section. So that's how my hair looks with just the leave-in. I am gonna put a little more because it doesn't feel like it's on there at all. So pretty good detangler, I can say. Doesn't give me no like curl definition or anything special, no curl definition, but it does, like I can feel the product in my hair, so that's good.
Alright guys, so if you made this far in the video, make sure you subscribe, click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the gel. It is a very thin gel. Nothing really special about it. So I'm going to go ahead and also put some oil on it, the African Pride oil. and go ahead and put that on my hair. And then add the gel. Finger detangle my hair, and I was just amazed of how good curl definition came out from the gel. It's awesome. I don't know if I want to do a wash and go with it, but that curl definition, it looked good. So I'm going to go ahead and finish twisting my hair up, remove the excess product. And this is how my twist is looking. It looks pretty good, pretty juicy. So I'm going to continue on and finish twisting my hair. Guys, remember to follow me on Instagram at Justena RX. And you'll see, day-to-day updates on how my hair is doing, what new products I might have. Go ahead to Justena RX and check me out. Alright, this is how my hair looks when I finish. My curls look, twists look pretty juicy. I'm really surprised by this. Not that much product left on my hair, but this is the couple days later, and it looks pretty good. There is some frizz at the end of my hair, on my crown, and just looking at the individual twists, there's a little bit of frizz. So this is why I'm adding some more oil to kind of remove that frizz and help me out when I untwist my hair. I'm going to go ahead and untwist this first twist and show y'all the definition. There is frizz, but there is also definition. So these two products did a pretty good job of giving me definition, but it also gave me a little frizz, which you can kind of combat that. Frizz is okay. You can combat that with the oil that you add, but essentially, if you're not looking for a lot of frizz, this might not be the gel for you. I don't mind it because I think it kind of gives a little, vibe. It's pretty cute, and I can always add like more oil in my hair, especially if the oil I'm using is not super oily. So I did go ahead and do that once I twisted on my hair, and this is how my hair looks. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pick my hair. And I just love the definition, how it looks, all those things. It looks awesome. So if you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Like this video if you want more videos like this. And comment below. What are you going to do with these products? Are you going to do a twist out, wash and go, braid out? What are you going to do? I love y'all. And remember, natural hair queens, you look blessed. Bye, guys.